SHPRS has created a Canvas template to supplement our face-to-face courses. The three most common reasons you would want to use Canvas with your face-to-face course are to give you a place to post reference materials students might need, to help manage your assignment grading, and to provide a convenient place for course announcements. The SHPRS template helps save you a lot of time in accomplishing these things, and there are a few bonuses in the template as well. For example, there is some suggested language to preempt some common technical problems. It also comes preloaded with a few grading rubrics you can customize, which can save a lot of time in the grading process. It is also branded with the SHPRS identity, and the pages provided in the template are ADA compliant. And finally, there are embedded instructions and links for you, the instructor, to help with building the course and learning Canvas. Nearly everything in the Canvas template is customizable, and nothing is placed there to force you to teach a certain way. If you use the template, you do not have to hesitate to change anything. This video will show you what is included in the template and how to customize it to fit the needs of your course. It will focus on the following items: the syllabus, assignments, pages for posting materials, and the home landing page, which I actually recommend working on last, even though you see it first. One of the bonuses of the Canvas template is that we also provide a syllabus template as well, if you'd like to use that. The syllabus template contains placeholders for all the required and suggested elements for a syllabus, and it is pre-formatted to be ADA compliant. If you would like to use the syllabus template, simply click it to download it, edit it in a word processing software, and when you have finished your syllabus document, you can remove the template file from Canvas and attach your actual document in its place. In this lower section of the syllabus page, there's a list of every assignment you create in the course. To get the assignments to show up here, you need to use the Assignments tool. On the assignments page, the first thing you'll see is that the template comes with 4 assignment groups to help organize your assignments by type. You may want to customize the names of these groups. You can also delete them or add new ones, whatever fits your course. If you go to the very top right of this page, click the 3 dots and then click Assignment Groups Weight. Here you can toggle a weighted grading system on or off. When it is off, Canvas uses a straight point system. When it is on, you can enter in your percentages for each assignment group. Contact your instructional designer for the pros and cons of weighted versus straight points. You might use the assignments simply to generate columns in the Grade Center for which you manually enter grades based on what students do in class. However, you might consider having students turn in any papers digitally. This is nice because it allows you to run the paper through a plagiarism detection tool. The template comes with a few sample assignments designed to accept digital submissions. Simply click the title and then click Edit to adjust the settings to your preferences. If you'd like to create more assignments, you can go back to the Assignments tool, click the 3 dots menu, and then Duplicate. Or if you'd like to create an assignment from scratch, you can click the plus symbol here. Assignments created from scratch do not default to digital submissions, so you would need to activate that if you want to accept digital files. Otherwise, you can leave it set to no submission to grade manually. Once you create an assignment on the Assignments page, you see it show up not only here, but also on the syllabus page and as a column in the gradebook. The template comes with 2 pages for posting your materials, one called Lecture Notes and PowerPoints, and one called Supplemental Readings. You are free to rename these pages, and you can create more pages if you need more. On the pages provided, you'll see there are some headings, which you are welcome to rename. Simply highlight the text and rename it to whatever makes sense for your course. For example, you might want to organize it by topic, or by week, or with some other structure. You can copy and paste to add more formatted headings. There are placeholders below the headings for you to upload any files that might be relevant, or paste links to articles or videos, If you want to create more pages, go to the View All Pages link at the top. Then either duplicate existing pages, which can save you time with formatting, or click the plus sign to start completely from scratch. The template comes with certain settings enabled that are the most common, but you may wish to change some of them. Click Settings to run through all your options. Most things should be self-explanatory, but there are a few things to highlight. First, on this Course Details tab, there's a link that says View Grading Scheme. If you click that, you'll notice that the ASU default grading scheme is enabled. This is the formula by which numerical grades are translated into letter grades. If you use a different scheme, for example if you don't use pluses and minuses, you will need to change this grading scheme here. The Course Navigation tab allows you to add more items to the course navigation or change the order in which they appear. So for example, let's say I want to add Zoom to the menu so students can easily access it. And then if I want to rearrange the order of the items, I just click and drag. And make sure to click Save. I mentioned that you should usually edit your home page last. This is so it can most accurately represent your course structure after you have developed your materials. For example, if you change the names of the pages, or if you created more pages that you need to link to. You can delete these links and click Pages over here, and then simply click the name of the page you created, and the updated link will post. Like I said, everything is customizable, so do what works for you. You'll notice we provided some language about small groups. This is optional, but if you have students break up into small project groups for your course, there's no way to link to groups directly in Canvas, so this link provided goes to the People page, and there are instructions to students about how to go to the groups from there. If you won't use groups, you can simply delete this text. So that's an overview of how to use this template. If you would like some more training on how to use Canvas, there are a few pages you can go to. links.asu.edu/shippers training has a collated list of opportunities around ASU for learning Canvas. You can also go to community.canvaslms.com, which are the pages provided by Canvas itself. If you would like to know more about the instructional design team at Shippers, you can go to links.asu.edu/IDShippers.